Today we would be doing a partially implemented process, currency elimination. We suggest it by only by cash registers and checks, that is electronic transfer and checks. Banks encourage it because they get more number of transactions and more profit, and also they get money, the idle money deposited in the bank, so that they can invest to make the economy to boost. We believe because of the difficulties in carrying currencies, there are many problems like beginning from pickpocketing, burglary, robbery and personal attacks. So besides this, currency is used as intermediary for our existing barter system. As many times we exchange currency, it shows we are economically weak because it replaces the goods. Currency totally, if we eliminate, we are eliminating the crimes like duplication of currency and corruptions, and we have to deposit, we have to invest lots of money in the defense to stop these crimes and for our personal safety also. Currency elimination will encourage us the habit of saving, so we will be prosperous. Then the security of the transactions arises. Obviously the administration staffs and the counter staffs would be recruited from our intelligence officers. They will have additional jobs as bank administration jobs and the probationary officer jobs. So this way we would be eliminating a massive crime from our society and assuring a peace and prosperity. Good luck.